Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus UX key battery. First, ensure you have a new CR 2032 battery ready, as this is the common type for most Lexus UX models. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to help open the key fob. This quick guide will walk you through each step, making the replacement straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, locate the small release button on your key fob and press it to slide out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot or groove. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot and gently twist it. You'll hear a soft click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Take your time and be careful not to force it, preventing any damage to the casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small screwdriver or a fingernail to gently pry out the old battery. Now, carefully insert the new CR 2032 battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Reinsert the emergency key blade. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Lexus UX to ensure everything is working correctly. If it functions, you're all set. And hey, for some great deals on meal prep containers and other useful items, make sure to check out the description below for links and more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.